Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on your PC without installing any app by using the built-in snipping tool. This is useful if you want to record tutorials, a specific window, or just a part of your screen easily. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type snipping tool. Now open it. At the top of the toolbar, click on the video icon. Next to it, you will see another icon. Click on it and you will get two options, rectangle and window. If you want to record a specific part of your screen, select rectangle. If you want to record a full app window, select window. Now let's see how both work. First, select window mode. Now click on new. Click anywhere on the screen. Now press start and your recording will begin. You will also see options for microphone and system audio. You can turn the mic on or off depending on whether you want to record your voice, and same in case of system audio. Now let's try rectangle mode. Select rectangle and click on new. Now press start and drag to draw the area you want to record. Once selected, the recording will begin. It also has the same mic and system audio options. So this is how you can record your screen using snipping tool without installing any app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.